Massive benefits of building your business credit. Business credit is credit under a company's EIN. It is not associated with an owner's social security number. Business credit and personal credit are separate. Scores can diverge dramatically. Credit is in the business name and based on the business's ability to pay, and not the business owner's. Since the business qualifies for the credit, when done right, business credit is obtained with no personal credit check required from the business owner, and the business owner isn't personally liable for the credit the business obtains. Why do you want business credit? All major businesses have it. Warren Buffett, Oprah Winfrey, Bill Gates, etc. don't risk their personal assets when their companies borrow money. They don't need to provide a personal guarantee either. Why? Because their own businesses have credit. Be ready in case times get tough. Prepare for lean times. For a seasonal business, this is a part of the DNA of a company. But every business can go through leaner times. If you have to make payroll or equipment payments or cover rent, you will need business credit to get by. By establishing your business credit before you actually need it, you are far more likely to get better terms or even credit at all. Get business credit before you need it. Establish a credit history before you really need to tap it. Credit history is one of the components CRAs use when calculating business credit score. The longer and better your credit history, the better a business's credit score is going to be. When you consider what credit score is needed for a business loan, then you need every last positive item you can get. So if you start early, it can only help you. The IRS. The IRS says you're a business. Now start acting like one. If you have an EIN, then you've told the IRS that your business is credible and not just a hobby. As a result, the IRS is already treating you and your small business separately when it comes to tax liability. So if you're still floating interest-free loans to your business with your personal credit cards, then now is the time to cut that out. Let's recap. Business credit means personal credit is untouched. Utilization rate stays low. There are no inquiries on personal credit. Building business credit before you need makes it easier and faster to get it. Payment history and credit history matter. Build business credit the right way. Establish business credibility. Get DUNS, EIN, and set business entity up with the IRS. Start with vendor credit. Move on to revolving store credit. Then move to fleet credit and cash credit. Contact us today to learn more about the massive benefits of building your business credit.